Who is most likely to destroy you? You fear the stranger in the dark alley. You fear the known enemy across the battlefield. But history tells us a darker truth. The hand that holds the knife is usually the hand you shook yesterday, the hand of a friend. This is the curse of closeness. We are taught to trust, to share our secrets, to be vulnerable. But we forget one simple, brutal law of human nature: envy. Your success reminds them of their failure. Your happiness highlights their misery. Robert Greene, in the 48 Laws of Power, wrote law number 2, never put too much trust in friends, learn how to use enemies. Why? Because friends are often dishonest. They want to be nice. They hide their true feelings to avoid conflict. But inside, envy grows like a cancer. An enemy is honest. They hate you openly. You see the blade coming. You can guard yourself. But a friend is a master of camouflage. They smile at your face while they measure your coffin. Think about Julius Caesar. He didn't die fighting a war against a foreign army. He died on the Senate floor, stabbed 23 times by Brutus, his closest ally. Betrayal never comes from your enemies. It always comes from those you let inside your walls. So, what is the solution? Should you live alone? Paranoid? No. Keep your friends close. Love them. Laugh with them. But keep your secrets closer. Never reveal your full ambition. Never show your full strength. And never, ever let them know your next move. Love everyone. Trust no one. Because in the end, the only person who will never betray you is the one looking back at you in the mirror. Subscribe if you want to survive.